In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert asterisk sign on a document using your keyboard on your computer or on your laptop. Now, mostly asterisks are normally used to direct the reader to additional information, explanation, or even citation provided at the bottom of the page. So if you want to add this asterisk the way I did, we are going to do it by typing or tapping on number 8. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, now you can see I have here asterisk and I'd like to go ahead and add another one just after number 3. But the problem is if you go ahead and just hit on number 8 key on your keyboard like this, you can see it will add an 8 instead of asterisk. For us to be able to add asterisk, all you need to do is to change the function of number 8 using the shift key on your keyboard. So for that, go ahead and press down the shift key, as you can see on your keyboard, on your laptop or on your computer. And then using the other finger, go ahead and tap on number 8 key on your computer. So as long as the shift key is pressed down, each and every time you tap on number 8, it will insert asterisk sign on your document. Now, it doesn't matter whether the asterisk sign is on your number 8 key or not. If you go ahead and just press down shift and number 8, it will always add the asterisk sign. So that's how you can successfully add asterisk sign on a document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.